Good morning, reception. It is Thursday, the 28th of January, and today we are going to be counting in twos and looking at pairs. So, can you remember what is a pair? What does that mean? Have a little think. How many is in a pair? What is the difference between a pair and a matching pair? And did you manage to find some things in pairs around your house? Now, a pair, if you remember rightly, is two things that have some link together, okay? So you need two things to be in a pair. Now, a pair can be anything. It can be like in PE, when we say get into pairs, you can go and get into a pair with your friend. You could be with a boy and a girl. That is still a pair. But a matching pair is exactly the same. So if you had two horses that were exactly the same, that would be a matching pair, okay? And I do hope you managed to find some things around your house that were in pairs. Now, first challenge is, can you count the number of evil peas on my screen? Now, if you need to pause me to do that, that's absolutely fine, but I will give you a couple of seconds now to count the number of evil peas. Amazing. There were 11 evil peas on the screen. Now we need to sort them into pairs. So that means we need to sort them into twos. They need to be 2, 2, 2. So they're in their pairs. So here they are. I've put them, there's 1, 2, and then another 2, and another 2, and so on. Now there are 5 pairs of evil peas, and there is 1 left over. Do you think you can count the pairs on the screen for me? You might need to pause me so you can count them. Amazing work. Now, I have got a big challenge for you today. You've got bronze, silver and gold options. So if you're finding this a little bit tricky, you can go more for the bronze option. And if you think, this is easy peasy, Miss Sanderson, I know this, then you can challenge yourself to the gold option, okay? So for the bronze option, you need to find a small number of objects, okay? You might be able to pick them up with just one hand. And I'd like you to sort them into pairs. So you're going to sort them into twos. You're going to see, are there any left over? Or are they all into pairs? And how many pairs have you got? Now, for silver, you need to pick a bit larger group of objects. So you might do 2 handfuls. You could do 2 handfuls of peas out of your freezer. Okay, you're then going to put them into their pairs, so into their twos, and count how many pairs there are and see if you have any left over. Now, for those gold children that think, right, I need a challenge today, this is the one for you. You're going to pick a large group of objects and sort them into pairs, and then think, how many pairs have I got? Count them. Are there any left over? Now, the big challenge is, can you count your pairs in twos? Such as you're going to go 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's your 2 times table. Now, I think some of you will be able to give this a really good go, counting in your twos. And you can count the objects that you have got to help you. Okay, I'm really looking forward to see how you get on with this challenge. And I will speak to you later. Bye.